Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 24th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned CSS margin. In this tutorial, you will learn CSS padding. So let's get started. Okay guys, as you can see, I selected this paragraph. I added a border, 1 pixel solid with this color, and I gave it a background color, this one here, and the text color is white. Okay, now let me add padding to it. I will say padding left. I will say 50 pixels. Save it. Refresh. You can see the padding is added inside here. But if it is margin, it could be added outside here. But since it is padding, it is added within the element. Let me give it a padding bottom. Refresh. You can see the padding has been added here. Alright, let me give it, my battery is about to die. Let me give it a padding top. Alright, let me say 60 pixels. Refresh. You can see we have a padding on the top. Padding right, 100 pixels. Refresh. You will not see the effect because there is a huge space here. Alright, so the same to padding. If these values are 4, we can shorten them like we did in margin. So I will delete all this. Okay, let me say 50 pixels. Again, let me say 60 pixels. Let me say 75 pixels. Let me say 100 pixels. Alright, so what does this mean? It means this one here, the first one is for the top, the second one is for the right, the third one is for the bottom, and the fourth one is for the left. So top, right, bottom, left, like a clockwork, right? Let me save it, refresh. You can see. Okay, what if they are only 3? Alright, we said if they are only 3, the first one is for the top, right? The second one is for the right and left, this one here, and then the third one is for the bottom. Okay, let me save it and you see. Refresh. You can see, right? 100 at the bottom here. Okay, what if they are only 2? Like this one here. So if they are 2, it means the first one is for the top and bottom, and the second one is for the right and left. Okay, top, bottom, right, left. Alright, let me save it. Refresh. You can see we have the first one here and here, the second one here and here. Okay, what if we only have one value here, like this one here, 50 pixels? This one, if it is 1, it applies to all the sides. Alright, you can see they are equal, alright, except this one because the text is short. Yeah, again, you can add a width to your element, right? So let me add a width. Okay, width, let me say 300 pixels. Save it. Refresh. You can see the width is 300 pixels. Alright, I can increase it maybe to 500. Okay, yeah, right. So to keep the width the same no matter how much the padding is, you can add box sizing. Alright, box sizing, and put border box. Actually, let me remove this. Now let me save it, refresh. Now let me increase the padding to maybe 300. Save it, refresh. You can see the width is the same. All right, the width is still the same, but the height has increased because we have not specified any height for it, but the width from here to here remains the same. All right. Okay guys, that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, you will learn CSS width and height. So I will see you there.